The operation process of QBH Endoscope for car air conditioner with cleaning function. Assemble the cleaning gun. Assemble the screen. Turn on the cleaning gun and screen switch. Check the display status. Connect the air source. Cleaning gun at this point are not allowed to be bent significantly. Remove the glove box. Remove the air filter. Remove the air blower. Place basin for wastewater. Check the sanitary conditions of the evaporator and photograph. Put the detergent into the bottle of cleaning gun. Spray the detergent evenly on the evaporator. Wait for 2 minutes to soften the dirt. Pour 100 ml clean water into the bottle to clean the evaporator. Check if the stains onto the evaporator are clean. If not, pour more clean water to clean again. Clean the air blower. Pour bactericide into the bottle. Spray onto the evaporator to clean and sterilize the air conditioner system. Close the liquid valve. Blow dry the air blower and evaporator. Install the air blower. Start the engine. Adjust the air conditioner to internal recycle, wind power to the highest. All those bactericide are released. Place to the air inlet. Close the door. Let the air conditioner circulate for 10 minutes. Sterilize the inside of the car roundly. Clean the inspection gun with clean water. Place to dry and cool condition. Thank you for your trust and support to QBH.